Hello dear students and welcome to this online class video. This is the first part of the 5th chapter, Does It Look the Same? Of class 5 subject Mathematics, and I am Prakash. Let's start the class. Now let's talk about today's topic. So we have two topics for today's class. The first one is symmetric and asymmetric shapes, and the second is mirror game. Now come to the first topic, that is symmetric and asymmetric shapes. So first you have to understand that what is symmetry. So let's understand this symmetry through some examples. So here we have some shapes, some symmetrical shapes. You can see here we have a heart, circle, one picture. This is the picture of World Scout emblem, star, butterfly, and a circle with chord lines. So why these shapes are symmetrical? Actually, if you will draw a line from vertically, or you can also draw slant from this heart also, so you will get that these shapes are divided in two parts, and the first part is easily covering the second part. Similarly, the telephone, you can see this drop, you can see. So these all pictures are symmetrical. Why? Because the second part is easily covering to the first part with the same color. So we can say that symmetry means, symmetry is that one shape which is exactly look like the other shape when it is moved, flipped, or rotated. So through some examples we have understand this all. Now we will know that we draw some lines here, vertical lines, horizontal line you have drawn. So what are these lines are called? Actually these lines are called symmetrical lines. So let's know that there are how many symmetrical lines here. So first you can see here line of symmetry, means some pictures are here. You can see a square, star, a heart, and a triangle. So you can see the lines are vertically drawn here from up to down. So this is the first part and this is second part there. So you can see that if you will flip the second part to the first part, so the second is easily covering with the same color. So this type of lines are known as line of symmetry. And the second is rotational symmetry. So which type of line this is? So here you can study that a figure has rotational symmetry if it is fits onto itself more than once during a half turn. For example, rotational through 360 degree. So you can see the last picture. We have a flower and we have many rotational lines. So these are known as rotational symmetrical lines. So here I have a question for you all, that this circle has how many symmetrical lines? 1, 2, 3 or more than 3? How many? Just write your answer in the comment box. Now come to the chapter. So here you can see that a girl has two patterns, pattern A, pattern B. Okay, and she is saying that she has made these patterns through the help of a drop of a color. So bottom side she has explained how these patterns are made. You can read it well. And now come to the next page. Look at this pattern. So here you can see we have a picture here, and it is divided from into two parts vertically. So we have to study this first. The dotted line divides the shape into two halves. Okay, so these are two halves, half 1, half 2. But if you fold it along the dotted line, the left half does not cover the right half completely. Yes, here you can see that the first half is not covering the second part completely. So the two halves are not mirror halves. So these are not mirror halves. So what do you mean by mirror halves? Actually mirror halves means you can say symmetrical shapes. Okay. Now bottom side we will come. Look at the another shape. If you fold it along with the dotted line, one half will cover the other similar half completely. So the two here are mirror halves. So here we have a picture of a triangle with circle, and vertically with the symmetrical line it is divided into two parts, part 1, part 2. And if you will fold to the second part towards to the first part, so you will see that the second part is completely covering the first part with the same color. Here is yellow. If you will fold this part to part 1, so this yellow will easily cover the yellow circle, and here the red circle is divided into 2 parts, so half of circle we will have. So here is the mirror half image, or you can say symmetrical shape. It is very important that the shape must have covered the symmetrical shape must have covered the original part with same size and with same color. It is very important. Then you will say that is a symmetrical shape. Now imagine the same for this picture. So here we have a star and it is divided vertically also. So now we have some pictures, and what is the question? Which shapes are divided into 2 mirror halves by the dotted lines? So with the dotted lines the pictures are divided. So let's know that which are mirror halves, means you can say symmetrical shapes. So come to the first picture is divided horizontally with the line, but is it a mirror half? No, it is not mirror half. Why? Because you can see here we have a red color and bottom side we have white color. So if you will fold to the second part, means upper part to the bottom side, so you will see that the color are not matched. Here is red one and here is white. So if you will fold to the upper part, so you will get here red part you will get here, and here you will get white part. So in this way we can say that the first is not a mirror half. Clear? So now come to the second is vertically divided, and you can see that the picture is not half, so we can say that it is not a symmetrical, means mirror half shape. Now third we have a leaf, and it is already not a mirror half. You can see the size is not same. Now fourth picture, you can see this is the emblem of World Scout, and it is divided equally, but the color is not same, means here we have blue and here we have white one. So for the color it is not mirror half. Now come to the 5 number. Yes, this picture is divided vertically and these are half with the same size, and also their color is same. So we can say that the 5th number is mirror half picture. Now come to the 6th number picture is a butterfly, and it's also a mirror half picture. How can you say? Because the color, the shape, the size is equally divided. Now come to the 7th part, means come to the 7th picture. Here we have, this is one. So it is vertically divided, and you can see that the part 1 and part 2 are with the same color with same size. So it is a mirror half. Now come to the 8. Yes, it will be a mirror half. 9 is not divided equally here, so it will not be a mirror half. Now 10 is equally divided horizontally, but the color is not matching, means for example the upper part, if you will fold to the downside, so you will get that the red one is covering to the green circle, so the color is mismatched. So for that it will not be a mirror half shape. Now we have 11th number picture, that is here. Yes, it is also not a mirror half shape. Now come to 12. Yes, here you can see that we have a complete square. It is divided horizontally, but the color is not same, so for that it is not. 13, yes, and 14 will not be a, and at last 15, yes, it will be a mirror half shape. So in this way we have known that which pictures are mirror half and which are not. So it is very important that you have to check that the shape is equally divided and the color should be also same. Then you can say that the pictures are symmetrical, or you can say mirror halves. Now come to the second topic, that is mirror games. So let's know that how to play this game. So here is a picture of a dog, you can see in the box. You can place a mirror on the dotted line. Okay, so here we have the dotted line, you can see. Then what we have to do? Then the part of the dog to the right of the line will be hidden behind the mirror. So here is the mirror, and you can see this whole part is hidden here. Only this face is showing in the mirror, and what you will see is like, yeah, how is it looking? Come to answer. Now bottom side we have, look at the figure in the white box. Here is the white box. On which of the dotted lines will you keep the mirror so that you get shape B? So here we have the shape B, and it is a mirror half, or you can say it is a symmetrical shape. So how it will be get? Let's know. Then also tell which part of the picture will be hidden when they keep the mirror on the dotted line. So where we have to put the mirror to get this shape? So it's very easy. For that, what you have to do? You have to first you have to get the original picture. So this is the original picture that I am circling. Okay, and here this is the original picture. So means this one, this is the second part, means you can say mirror half, and it is the mirror half. Okay, so now we have got our original picture. So after the original picture we have a vertical line, so the mirror will be put here, means we will keep the mirror here in this line. And the second question was which part is hidden. So you can say that the right part, this is the right part, so right part will be hidden. So in this way we have answered this question. Now we have some more mirror halves with more questions. So now make a line on the white box. So these are the white boxes where you will keep the mirror to get the picture next to it. So we have to put the mirror, means we have to draw the symmetrical lines to get the given pictures. So let's start from the C question. So here we have the mirror half, means symmetrical shape. So here you have to find the original picture. So here you have your white box picture. So here you can see this is the face of the dog. Okay, so we can say that this one is the original picture, means this shape is the original picture. So right part will be hidden. So we will put the mirror vertically. It is very important, remember that. So from where we have to put the mirror? For that, what you have to do? Just check top and bottom. So here we have square and square shapes. So where it is formed? Yes, bottom side here it is, and upside here we have. So how to draw these lines, means symmetrical line? It is very important. You have to get a scale to draw the dotted lines straight, and I am going to make this a straight line. So it will be look like this. Let me zoom it first. Yeah. Then first you have to make a straight line from here with dotted parts. Yeah, like this. I am trying to make my line straight. So already it is not straight. So in this way you have draw the symmetrical line, means here you will keep your mirror. And now come to the second part. Yeah, only head is given here. Okay, and this is the original picture. Here you can see this is the original picture. So here, from here we have to draw the symmetrical lines, means slant line. So from the neck it is divided. Here you can see. So same line we have to draw here from the neck. Okay, from the neck you will draw the symmetrical line. Now next we have E number picture. This is the mirror half, and this is the picture in the white box. So you can see that here is the face of the dog, and it is divided horizontally, means this is the line. So this line we have to draw here. So always use a scale to draw the straight line, my dear students. So here we got the straight symmetrical line. Now in the next picture, in picture F, this is the mirror half, and this is the original picture, and the face of the dog is here. It means this is the original picture of the dog. And where the symmetrical line will be? Yes, here is the symmetrical line. So same thing we have to draw here. So be careful. Yes, from the bottom side we will try to draw, because the leg is not divided, the leg is complete shown here. So we will try to show the leg completely here, and in this way we will draw the line, symmetrical line. So In this way you have found your symmetrical line. Now come to the second part. It is the second game of mirror game. So Venki has made a red box and white shape. Venki has made a red and white shape. So make a line on the white box where you will keep a mirror to get that shape. Look at how the line is drawn in the first box to get the next to it. So here we have the white and red boxes which is made by Venki, and same thing we have to do. We have to find the symmetrical line by looking the mirror halves, or you can say symmetrical lines. So let's start from the A. So here we have A. Let me zoom it first. Yeah. So this one is the mirror half. Okay. And from where it is divided? Yes. You can also take a line. Vertically it is divided here. Yes. You will put a dot dot dot, and this line is used here to get the symmetrical line. So in this way we have to find. Okay, first you have to check the mirror half, that how it is divided. Okay, and you will also try to find the original picture. Okay, and which part is hidden. You have to check it properly. Then you can draw your symmetrical line. Now we have the question number B. So this is the mirror half picture, and from where it is the symmetrical line is drawn, you have to check it first. So here you can see that the symmetrical line is drawn. Okay, means vertically it is divided. And which one is the original part? Means part 1 or part 2? Means left side is right side. So you can see that the left one is the original part, because this is the left side. Okay, so left part is the original part. So same thing we have to do here. This white part is completely taken, so we will take it, and the red one we have to divide. So from here means take the white part completely from the bottom side, and from here means from this red box we have to divide this part, and the upper part is means the upper white box is also completely. So here means from here we have to draw this line, yeah, in this way. So this is the symmetrical line. If you will do it through the scale, so your line will be straight. And now come to the C number. First check the mirror half picture. So this is the mirror half picture, and from where the symmetrical line is drawn, can you imagine? Yes, we can imagine. From here the picture is dividing in two parts. So same thing we have to do here. So it's very easy. Means first you have to check the real picture, means the original picture. So this is the original picture. Okay, and from the white box it is divided. So how you will draw the symmetrical line? And here from the second you can see a little red box is here. So it means this box we have to divide a little. So let me divide this line. Yes, from the bottom side I will try to draw. Yes, in this way you will draw this line. Yes, we got our symmetrical line. And now come to the next picture. Yes, D it is over. Oh, here we have C. So let's try to divide picture number C. So this is your mirror half picture, and vertically it is dividing in two parts. So find out the original picture. Yes, this is the original picture. I mean this part is hidden. So from here vertically we have to divide. So let's find how we will divide this line. So you will see that here the white box is complete. So we will take this one. Red box is doubled. So through the red box we have to draw the line. Means like this, and it will be straight. Yes, in this way you will get your symmetrical line. And here we have the last picture, that is picture E. So here it is mirror picture, means mirror half is given, and first we have to find out the original picture. So you will get that this bottom side picture is the real, means original picture. This one is the original picture. So means it is the symmetrical line is slant. So let's try to get our symmetrical line. So you will see that the bottom white part is divided here and upper white part is divided here, means this one. So like this we have to divide. Yes, yeah, we got our symmetrical line. So in this way, dear student, you can get your symmetrical lines. I hope that you have very well understand about symmetric and asymmetric shape, and also you have enjoyed this mirror game. So at last I want to say that the class is over. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you all in the next video. Till then, stay at home, be healthy. Bye bye.